Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the Vonage app on your Android phone. Vonage is a great app for making and receiving calls and texts, as well as video chatting. It's also a great way to stay connected with your friends and family, even if you're on the go. So, let's get started. Steps. Go to the Google Play Store. Search for Vonage. Tap on the Vonage app. Tap on the Install button. Once the app is installed, open it. Sign in to your Vonage account. If you don't have a Vonage account, you can create one by tapping on the Sign Up button. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to make and receive calls, send and receive texts, and video chat. Additional tips. You can customize the Vonage app by changing your theme and background. You can also add your contacts to the Vonage app. You can use the Vonage app to make calls to landlines and mobile phones in over 20 countries. You can also use the Vonage app to send and receive texts to landlines and mobile phones in over 100 countries. And that's it. That's how to install the Vonage app on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.